Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will be doing the unboxing and the review of the board Bassheads 900. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. So guys, this is the box of the headphone. So now let's quickly unbox it and let's have a look. So guys, coming back to the headphones, I have this black variant. Here you get the board branding, and at the ear cuff you get this metallic design, and inside you get the ear cuffs which are made up of fox leather, which makes it really comfortable. Here also you get at the top also this fox leather, and these ear cuffs are rotatable and foldable, which makes it very easy to carry. You also get this inline microphone and the button for accelerating calls. The wire is really long, and also you get this 3.5 mm jack. The 3.5 mm jack has a really nice texture on it, which makes it look premium. It also has a spring which prevents the wire from tearing. So guys, I have used this earphone for a couple of days and I think this is the best headphone you can get under 1000 rupees. Its lightweight design and its ear cuffs make it comfortable to wear for long periods of time, and it also has really good amount of bass. If you want to buy, there will be a link in the description below, and thank you for watching.